Alright, good morning everybody. So, have a nice day at isang napakagandang araw po ngayon. So, medyo yan, kita po natin. So, sa kabila, yan ang tinatawag na Biliago Resort. So, running of 20,000. So, nakadepende po yan kung low season or high season. Isa po ito sa maganda for watching sunset. Okay po? So, dito po kami sa Ilito, Palawan. Alright? So, today, so Madam Sir, so good morning. Once again, good morning sa mga guests ko from the other country. So, thank you so much. So, English. So, merci beaucoup from what is this? Came from France, okay. So, Morigato, Japan. So, kamsahamnida from Korea. So, Dankeschön from German. Muchas gracias from Spanish. And maraming salamat po mula po sa Pilipino. Alright? So, today po, we're going to pick up our guests from the other